Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a rut, not sure how to move forward in your personal or professional life? Or maybe you have big dreams but don't know where to start? SWOT analysis can solve this problem. This powerful tool can help you understand your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Whether you want to excel in your career, improve your personal life, or boost your confidence, this simple yet effective technique will guide you on your journey to self-growth. What is SWOT analysis? SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a strategic planning tool used in business, but it can also be applied to personal development. By identifying these four elements, you can create a clear roadmap for growth and success. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Identify your strengths. These are your personal attributes, skills, and resources that give you an advantage. Think about what you do well, your talents, and what others appreciate about you. Write them down. Recognizing your strengths boosts your confidence and helps you leverage them in different areas of your life. Step 2. Acknowledge your weaknesses. These are areas where you might need improvement or things that hold you back. Being honest about your weaknesses is key to growth. It's not about self-criticism, it's about self-awareness. Understanding your weaknesses allows you to address them and find ways to improve. Step 3. Explore your opportunities. These are external factors that you can take advantage of to achieve your goals. They can include trends, new skills to learn, or networks to join. Opportunities are all around you. Keep an eye out and be ready to seize them. Step 4. Identify your threats. These are external challenges that could hinder your progress. It could be competition, changing circumstances, or personal obstacles. By being aware of potential threats, you can prepare and create strategies to overcome them. Now that you've identified your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, it's time to put it all together. Use your strengths to capitalize on opportunities and mitigate threats. Develop a plan to address your weaknesses and turn them into strengths. With a clear understanding of your SWOT, you can set realistic goals and create actionable plans for self-growth